Hey friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a YouTube friend. Remember, I'm just a normal person who likes to craft. I am not an expert and I'm not a full-time YouTuber. But I like to try things and I'd love to have you as a YouTube friend. So, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. All right, now, so we did these keychains from Hobby Lobby. Cute. They're definitely cute. You know, not like worthy of, oh, I'm going to sell them, but fun for each other and whatever. And then, so I thought, well, let's try to see what else we can do to them. So I did the Mod Podge Dimensional Magic, and I'm going to show you because I have the video on doing it, but this dried for 24 hours and it looks so good. I am really happy with this. This is phenomenal. So it definitely has to dry for 24 hours. And I will say, like, I could easily put another layer on this if I want to, but I don't need to. And it just kind of feels like this nice little plastic coating. I'm gonna do one over the weekend with UV resin and then we'll compare them. But I really like this. And so the thing that I like is it really didn't take much. You can't shake this stuff because you get bubbles. And it didn't take much. It cleans up with soap and water. I didn't have to clean anything up, but it says it cleans up with soap and water. Now, the one thing is, you know, the little microscopic bubbles. What I did was about an hour after laying it on, I looked at it kind of from the side to see whatever bubbles, and I used my little needle and poked the bubbles, and they popped and went away. So I don't know. I'll have to just investigate and see if there's other ways to get rid of bubbles, but that worked and it really turned out super cute. So yeah, and so we'll compare it to UV resin. We'll see how that does. And I have the video of making it. So we are going to, let me get a little paper towel. I gotta be careful, and I already have this spot right here. Long time ago, I have no idea what I spilled on there to make a problem. And I love this table. It's actually a big square. It's so perfect if you do like family. It's perfect if you do like family game nights and stuff. I really need to invest at some point in a better stand for my phone. But anyways, all right, so we did these Hobby Lobby keychains. And these, you know, so basically 6 of them for less than $3. So they have, this is just like a vinyl sticker. A little smoother than regular vinyl, I think. And like if you had done a print then cut, I don't think it would be quite this smooth, but it's kind of smooth. So we're going to see what we can do with these, right? So I was thinking I hadn't used this before. So this is Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. So it's supposed to give 3D accents, you know, see, so it kind of looks like you were using resin. And you have to let these dry for 24 hours. You want to keep it out of extreme temperature or humidity while drying to prevent cracking. So let's see how it goes. Oh, I wonder, no, there's not plastic over that. Oh yeah, see, look, this one opens fine. Look, this is like, I'm going to have to get somebody who can open that or it's going to be wasted. Okay, well, glad to know that really, okay. Listen, I'm leaving that in the video so you can see in case you get one that's uber tight like that. Like, that's crazy, right? Which is fine because I did shake that one and it says not to. And I don't really know how much to put on here, so we're just going to give... I like how it's got this little point. Bubble. Well, I do like the fact that I was able to like pop the bubble. I feel like if you get any bubbles, I feel like it's not going to go away if you don't take care of it right away. There's some little bubbles in there. I don't want those. They seem to go away when I do this, so. It's kind of cloudy when you put it on. I'm really interested to see how it dries. You see there's these tiny little bubbles. Okay, when I look to the side, I feel like it needs a little bit more. Like I feel like there's some not covered. Okay. Just want to see if we can work out the bubbles. Now, if this was resin, I would feel comfortable just using my heat, but I don't know if heat will mess this up. We'll have to do some experimenting. No, bubble, you are not allowed to come. You see this little bubble? How do I get rid of it? Well, we'll let it dry and see, but I do have, like, there's a bunch of little bubbles. And I don't know how to get rid of them. All right. Well, we'll let it dry and we'll see how it goes, okay?